if 1 plus 3x minus 2x square whole power 10 equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on a20 x power 20. Prove that a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus so on a20 equals to 2 power 10 and a0 minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 plus so on a20 equals to 4 power 10. Okay. See, first write the given expanded form. So 1 plus 3x minus 2x square whole power 10 equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on a20 x power 20. Okay. See here a1 a2 so on is there, so replace x equals to 1. Okay. First one put x equals to 1. Then 1 plus 3 times of 1 minus 2 times of 1 square whole power 10 equals to a0 plus a1 times 1 plus a2 times 1 square plus so on a20 times 1 power 20. Okay, that equals to 1 plus 3 times of 1 is 3 minus 2 times of 1 square value 1, 2 times of 1 is 2 power 10 equals to a0 plus a1 plus a1 times 1 is a1, 1 square value 1 times of a2 is a2 plus 1 power 20 value 1, a20 times of 1 is a20. So 1 plus 3 is 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 power 10 equals to a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus so on a20. Hence 1 proved. See the second one. In the second case, alternate negative symbols are there. So do one thing. Put x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1. Then see in the above equation, in the above expanded form. Now 1 plus 3 times of minus 1 minus 2 times of minus 1 square whole power 10 equals to a0 plus a1 times minus 1 plus a2 times minus 1 square plus so on a20 times minus 1 power 20. So that equals to 1 plus into minus is minus 3 minus 1 square value 1 2 times of 1 times of 2 is minus 2 power 10 equals to a0 plus into minus is minus a1 minus 1 square value plus times of a2 next minus a3 plus so on. So minus 1 power 20 is positive number, minus 20 is a positive number, 20 is the even number, minus 1 power even number is 1 times of a power 20 is a power 20. So minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 plus 1 is 4 power 10 equals to a0 minus a1 plus a2 so on plus a20. So hence 2 is proved.